Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. And today I would be talking about option chains and how you can actually identify stocks to trade in options. I have created a similar video in earlier too. So this time I would be talking about how to avoid some stocks by seeing the option chain. So here I have taken the example of Dabur India, and this is a very good stock, very good stock for investors. But if once you come to option chains here, please check the OI, change in OI, and also especially the volume and IV. IV is the column for implied volatility, where how the volatility is high or low for a particular stock. Volumes, as you can see, there are very less volumes on this stock for options. This is on the put side, on the call side and the put side. The volumes are incredibly very low, and you should avoid your trading for options in this particular stock. This will actually tell you that there are not much option buyers or sellers, and even though the option, there might be some option sellers available, but the volumes on this particular stock options are very less. For example, once you go to Nifty, and you will see the change in the volumes. See the volumes here. See the implied volatility here. Implied volatility on the in the money calls, and this is huge. 10,524, 890, and these are in the money levels, and these are slightly out of the money levels, and you can see the volume and implied volatility are huge. So as you can see, you need to go to this option chain page to identify whether this stock or underlying asset would be good for options trading or not. So this is the way you can, this is a small way, this is an additional way, I would say, to identify stocks whether they are good for options trading or not. Now, as I told you, this the example which I showed for Dabur is for this month, May 2018. This can change in future too. There might be possibility that next month there might be a huge volume. So if you are a short-term trader, as you know, derivative segment have every monthly contracts. So May or June, next month the volumes might change. So and we generally trade in this month's contract, especially for stock options. So next month the volumes might change. So this doesn't indicate that this options will not have any implied volatility or volumes forever. This just means that this month the volumes are hugely low. Maybe for some reason, we don't know the reason as such. Maybe the investors or traders are not interested in this particular stock, and that's why you should avoid trading in options in that particular chain. So that's about a quick additional tip for trading in options segment and choosing or identify the right stock for options. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or feedback on my videos, feel free to write to me, and